Hello students, how are you all? Also you are so good and it's your science lecture. Open your books, page number 31 and it's about food types and there are 6 types of food which includes carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamin, minerals and water. Okay, we have already discussed about carbohydrates, so I will not tell you what is carbohydrates. Okay, our today's topic is proteins. Okay, what are proteins? We will see its structure, sources, storage and function. Now we will discuss about structure of protein, that how proteins are made. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Okay, and there are 20 amino acids which we can take from outside of the body and from inside. And there are 11 amino acids which are within the body. Okay, and there are 9 amino acids which we take from outside of the body, from our meals, from our breakfast, from our outside. Okay, and sources where proteins come from. For example, in animals we get protein from egg, meat, cheese. Okay, and in plants, where we get protein? We get protein from beans and nuts. Okay, and here we will put eggs. Okay. And the next one is storage. How we can store proteins? And the answer is we can't store proteins. Why we can't? Because proteins can take directly on regular basis from our meals. Okay, like beans, eggs, meat, cheese. Okay. And what is the function of proteins? Proteins helps to grow and repair the cells. And it's very important question, and that topic is also included in your assessment test. Our next topic is minerals. What are minerals? Minerals are inorganic elements. What are inorganic elements? Inorganic elements are elements which include in green vegetables, milk, cheese, etc. Okay. The first mineral is zinc, iron, second is iron, and third one is calcium. Okay, these all are minerals. Okay, and the function of minerals are, let's see what is the function of minerals. Function of minerals are it helps body to grow and stay healthy. Okay, minerals make our body healthy, more justified, and more growing. Okay, the next is example. What are the example of mineral? Mineral have many more elements like zinc, iron, calcium, but we will only discuss two elements like iron and calcium. Okay, the iron. What is iron? Iron needed to produce hemoglobin for red blood cells, and hemoglobin get attached with oxygen, which helps in respiration. And where iron comes from? Iron includes in spinach, which is a green vegetable. Okay, which is a green vegetable. The next one is anemia. What is anemia? Anemia causes due to the lack of iron. If there will be no iron in our body, we will get anemia, which includes dark circles over and under our eyes. And the next one is calcium. Where calcium comes from? Calcium is present in teeth and bones. Okay, and where let's see what is the sources of calcium. Calcium is present in milk, cheese, and fish. And its shortage, it means its deficiency. Deficiency of calcium causes rickets. In rickets, the legs become bowed, and the bones become weak, and teeth become bloody, bleeding gums, including teeth. Okay. Next topic is vitamins, and where vitamins come from and what are vitamins, we will see in that topic. Vitamins. Vitamins are made up of plants and metabolism. Okay, during metabolism. And vitamin synthesize vitamin D. Body synthesis. Sorry, our body synthesize vitamin D. Body break down our helper molecules and make vitamin D. Okay, and we have already discussed about vitamin D in previous topic, which was proteins. An example. There are many more examples of vitamins. For example, vitamin A, D, and C. Okay. Vitamin A include vision control, and vitamin D is present in bones and teeth. And vitamin C is essential for skin. Okay. And we will see here the deficiency of vitamins A, C, and D. What will happen if we will not take vitamins A, C, and D? We will discuss in that topic. Vitamin A. Vitamin A includes vision loss. It means our eye contact or our vision will be lost after the deficiency of vitamin A. If we will not take vitamin A, we will lose our vision. And it will also include delayed growth if we will not take vitamin A. And the next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C, what will happen if we will not take vitamin C? Our skin becomes curvy. Okay, our skin becomes spoiled, and there will be hair loss in our body. Our hair will be lost after deficiency of vitamin C, and there will be bleeding gums in our teeth because vitamin C is present in teeth and bones. Okay, the next one is vitamin D. What will happen with the deficiency of vitamin D? Vitamin D it causes rickets, in which our legs will be bored. Okay, which is called rickets. Fats and oils. What are fat and oil and where it are located? We will discuss in that topic. Fats are high in energy and producing about 2.5 times more energy than carbohydrates. Fats and oil give us more energy than carbohydrates, and fats and oils are good for skin, protect vital organs. Okay, and there are some sources of fats and oil where we get from, and it gets from butter and cooking oil. Okay, and they are very high energy sources and stored by our body as an energy source. Okay. Our next topic is dietary fiber or roughage. Dietary fiber is also called roughage. It is also a food type. Okay. And what is roughage? Roughage is an undigested part of food. Okay. Undigested part of food is called fiber. And it is also a grain of cereal which is made up of cellulose wall and of plant cells. It is also called bran of cereal, and which is the cellulose walls of plant cells, and bran of cereal is the outer cover of the beans or nuts. Okay, and there is an importance of dietary fiber which includes 3 to 4 points, and importance is like that fiber avoid us obesity. Obesity means our body swollen. Okay, body swelling. It is called body swelling due to fat is called obesity. Understood? And it avoids obesity, and it absorbs poisonous waste. Okay, it absorbs poisonous waste from food. Okay, this satisfies your appetite but cannot make you fat. It avoids fat as well as I told about obesity. And fiber-rich food include food which include fiber are bread, barley, and rye. These all are wheat and oats and cereals. As I said, bran of cereal. And let's see what type of vegetables and fruits include in fibers. And vegetables which include fibers are broccoli and carrot. These are the main vegetables which include fibers which are undigested what is water, and it constitutes 70% of our body. Our 70% body includes water, okay, and 2 to 3rd part of water in our body include in cytoplasm of the cell, okay, and the most water is included in cytoplasm of the water of the cell, and the other 3rd part of the water includes in tissue fluid of the cell. And where the loss of water happens, and the loss of water happens during urination, and urination, in urination there is almost